Right then, as requested, this is how I make my wild garlic pesto. And I didn't have any pine nuts, so this isn't going to be traditional at all. And all I do is start by roasting a load of nuts in the oven. I had macadamia nuts and Brazil nuts, add a pinch of salt and get them in a pestle and mortar and bash them until they're kind of roughly chopped. Then add your chopped wild garlic, make sure you give it a good wash and a rinse. Bash that down in kind of stages so you're not overloading the pestle and mortar. And then once it's done, it should look something like this. You could, of course, use a blender for this or food processor. Add your grated cheese. I'm not using Parmesan, I'm using a hard goat's cheese because I can't have dairy. Add a good twist of black pepper. Now you don't need the pestle anymore. All the bashing and kind of anger management, stress relief is done. Add some good olive oil in. I've gone for an extra virgin olive oil so it's nice and peppery, but use a rapeseed oil or a mild olive oil, it's up to you. And then a good squeeze of lemon juice minus the pips, and this will just kind of cut through it and enhance all the other flavours in there, a bit of acidity. I'm eating this straight away, dolloped over some soup, but if you want to store it in the fridge, pop it in a jam jar with some oil over the top, but don't add the lemon juice because it would discolour the wild garlic. But that's it, super fresh, super healthy and delicious.